Welcome to part 3 of the tutorial of how to add or edit any information for your business's public listing profile on gaypages.com. In this segment of the tutorial, I'll be discussing the details of the service areas section of your profile. The service areas section is where you will go to select and edit any and all geographical areas where your business provides services. You can select up to 10 locations for your service area, and you can come to this page at any time if you ever need to change them. When you find a location that you want to add to your service area, just type it in on this list. When you see it appear in the list, click on it and it will populate in the list below. When you see the location that you want to add, click on the purple Add button on the right. You can choose to appear in your entire state if you provide services across the whole state, or you can select specific counties, cities, postal codes, or a combination of these. If your business provides services to an entire county or several counties, it is best to list the county as the service area, as this will automatically include all cities and zip codes within that county without you having to go through and add them each individually. The service areas section is an important area of your profile to fill out accurately because GayPages users will often search for businesses by location. So when your business appears as a search result based on your selected service area, you will want to be sure that your business actually provides services to that area. This means not including any extra areas that you are not willing to travel to for work. So, if your business is not willing to provide services to the entire state of Florida, the state of Florida is not something that you would want to list in your service areas. If you ever need to delete a location from your list of service areas, just click the red delete button on the right. You want to make sure that you have your entire service area listed with your profile and that you are not skipping over any areas. Being thorough will give your business the most reach and will allow the greatest number of GayPages users to see your business listing and profile. To illustrate exactly what I mean, let's again look at our example company. Example Company is a home services company that builds closet systems in Orlando, Florida. While Example Company's office is in Orlando, they work throughout a much larger area of Central Florida that goes far beyond Orlando. This area includes all of Seminole County, all of Osceola County, and all of Orange County. Now, because Orlando is in Orange County, it is more efficient to add Orange County to their service area instead of the city of Orlando. Since they also provide services to the full area covered by Seminole County and the full area covered by Osceola County, it is also appropriate to list these counties in their service areas as well. Lake County is another Central Florida county, but Example Company only works in two towns on the east side of Lake County, Claremont and Mount Dora, and they do not travel to the west side of Lake County. In this type of scenario, it would not be appropriate for Example Company to list Lake County as a service area because this would imply that they service all of Lake County. On the other hand, they also do not want to leave out any areas that they do service because this could result in Example Company missing out on potential business. So, what Example Company should do in a situation like this is list the areas of Lake County that they do service. So instead of typing in Lake County up here, instead we would type in the cities, Mount Dora, and we can add Mount Dora to our list. And Claremont. And we can see when we type these cities in that Lake County is their designated county, but we don't want to add that here. Instead, we are just adding the cities themselves. When we scroll down to our listed locations down here, we can see that we are listed in Seminole County, Osceola County, Orange County, and this includes all of the cities and zip codes within these three counties, as well as the individual cities of Mount Dora and Claremont. Now, if we open up the Gay Pages homepage and search for closets in Orlando, Florida, we will see that example company comes up as a search result because we listed Orange County in our service areas, which contains Orlando, Florida. We can see if we type in Sanford, Florida, which is a city in Seminole County, that example company shows up in Sanford as well because we listed ourselves as in Seminole County as a service area. We will see the same thing if we type in Mount Dora, which is an individual city that we listed ourselves in. And we see example company comes up in Mount Dora. This way of being both thorough and specific in completing the service areas section of your profile provides the greatest benefit to your business and to all of your future customers that will find you through Gay Pages. This concludes part 3 of the tutorial of how to edit your Gay Pages listing. In part 4, we will begin the company description section of your profile and how to properly add and edit information, as well as strategies for troubleshooting the company description section.